Hello traders, in this video, we will talk about the top 5 Forex copy trading and PAMM or PAMM trading brokers and their platform guidance. Are you a newbie and not sure how to trade? Learn how to copy trade from the best traders and earn steady profits. Get free cashback or rebates for each of your trades too. How? Stay with us to know. Let's begin with the number 1 broker Forex. Forex has both PAMM and copy trading services. Let us explain the difference between PAMM and copy trading. With PAMM, you need to invest in a trading fund for a specific time. After trading, you can withdraw the profit. Whereas with copy trading, the trade will get copied to your trading account automatically from the pro traders with your preferred risk profile. First, register with a Forex trading account, then log into the My Forex client area. The registration link is in the video description. Now, after logging in from the dashboard, go to the investment section on the left sidebar. From there, click on the HF Copy Strategy list. Can you see all the top traders' lists? Yes, now pick your favorite from here. You can see the minimum investment amount here, then the stability score, and also the performance graph. You may choose any month and view the graph from the list. You can even find the equity versus balance graph and other financial details along with the trading currency pairs graph and average loss and profit data. Lastly, the recent trading activity data. Now open the PAMM Manager Ranking dashboard. Here you can find the Forex's Investors Rescue level for invested funds protection. You can filter this PAMM Manager list as per your choice. Click on any of the PAMM Manager accounts to view the details. You can find the penalty fees here, general info, and graphs for profit and growth. Hourly trades and daily trade data. Lastly, the recent trading activities. Symbol distributions and pip profit graph. In order to start with copy trading, you need to open a new follower account. In order to start with the PAMM, you need to open a new investor account from your Forex dashboard. Next at number 2, we have ROBOFOREX. The registration link is in the description. After opening an account at ROBOFOREX, you need to log into your My ROBOFOREX section from the account menu and click on Open Copy's Trader account. Next, you can view all the copyFX trader lists here. You can choose your favorite, you can even filter the trader list. On the copy trader profile, you can find the commission types, minimum deposit and number of investors, and the investment period. As you can see here, the investment period is 1 week. Thus, if you invest, the trade will get copied to your account for 1 week. You can also check the copy trader trading history from here. At number 3 we have the FPMARKETS copy trading platform. First, you need to log into your FPMARKETS account dashboard. From there, click on the social trading sidebar menu option. Now you can find all the social traders trading here. You can choose anyone, then view their trading details like risk factors, max profit, Sharpe ratio, quarterly, half-yearly, all-time return, and the daily balance graph. You can see which symbols they have traded in pie chart format, having the details of their best trade and worst trade. If you click on the Invest button, you will be redirected to open a social trading subscription page, where you can create your social trade following account. Find the FPMARKETS registration link in the video description. At number 4, we have FXPRIMUS with PAMM or PAMM investments. After login, here you can view all PAMM manager lists and their ratings. You can choose your favorite by filtering the list. You can check all the details here. Gain, intraday gain, equity. Intraday equity, offers, exposure level, drawdown, and profit. Then you can find trade details, statements, and weekly gain. Lastly, monthly analysis with risk-reward ratios. FXPRIMUS new PAMM account registration link is in the video description. Last but not the least, at number 5, we have PAXFOREX. Log in from the dashboard. You need to click on the All PIP platform to open the social trading section. Here you can view live charts. From the left side menu bar, click on the Follow Traders option to open the social trading area. Now here, choose your favorite. You will be able to view their number of followers, followers fund, account balance, and also the followers profit. Pick any trader and view their trade statistics, all open orders, and trade history. Also the minimum investment balance and profit share. So that's all for now. Hope it was helpful. All the registration links are given in the video descriptions below. Note, for extra income from your daily trading as a rebate cashback, register with our links below. For that, you only need to have a rebate account with us, and add your newly opened copy trading account there, to earn daily cashback for your trade. So what are you waiting for? Check the video descriptions now and get started. For any queries, comment below. Thank you for your time. Happy trading.